Yeah, my beautiful people, my wonderful people, you can see. I just finished from my appointment and the weather looks like this. It's raining all over the place. Alright? But trust them. That's the weather for you. That's the weather for us. Alright? The weather for us, guys. I think I have to run the camera. I have to turn this camera 1 minute. I'll be able to show you guys how the weather looks like. Yeah, it's raining, but you can see people going to their various activities, you know, without thinking twice. If you have an appointment, you have to go attend to your appointment. If you're working, you have to go work, man. If you have to go to school, you have to go to school. So, no weather. No weather will make you give excuses. No weather will make you give excuses. Excuses are not allowed. Only if you are sick. You know? If you are sick, you know you are sick, it's a quite different thing. But if you are not sick, guys, forget it. You have to go attend to your appointment. Even this way, like I'm going wrong way, let me go back. Sorry guys. Let me go back, take this way, straight down to my next vital place where I will post some letters. You know? Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna post some letters. Alright? Yeah. That's just it. That is it. That is it. Most parts of the world have rainy season. In Africa, they have rainy season right now. You know? Yes, you can see everywhere is wet. And it's not like it's raining only one time. You can see it's raining and stopping and raining and stopping and raining and stopping. So it's constant raining. Yeah, which is called autumn. Over here, let me turn the camera. Which is called autumn. Over here, you know. Called autumn over here. Autumn over here. But it's raining. And I heard it's raining in Africa. You know, see? Yeah, that is what we see every day. I can't imagine someone saw me with camera. Maybe you don't like being seen on camera. You know what you do? You just dodge. You intentionally dodge to go around the wall so that I cannot be able to cover him on my camera, guys. What can I do? What can I do with this kind of weather? Look, it's raining. It's raining every day. these days, and this is what we will be having. Not like one-time thing. This is what we will be having. See that? If I take off my umbrella, you can see the weather is like this. See the weather? See the weather, guys. So, as well. That is the weather. That is it. That is the weather over here. You know, that is it. The weather. Nothing more, nothing less. So it's cold, eh? I feel cold on my head. You know, let me show you guys this area. Turn the camera. Yeah. Christmas time, December 2023. We are in November, 11th month of the year. God of 11th hour. So I'm around this place. After my morning appointment, I just decide to pass here, show you guys how the weather looks like. It's lots of rain, guys. It's been raining heavily, raining like crazy. So we have to pass now. Green light over here. As we pass, you know, this is the weather. That's the weather. The weather is raining. Raining. You see that? Not so bright. The weather not so bright. But who am I to complain? Who am I to complain about the nature? This is the nature. You know? You can't stop the nature. You can't stop the nature. Alright, guys. Yeah.
Я не дала на 3 купити.
Walking around this street. Walking around this street. Trying to show you guys how the weather looks like over here. You know? And now I have to take the umbrella down because I have at least a small space to pass inside this place. You know, I'm on camera. How can I handle this? Thank problem. Einverstanden. Ich habe auch nicht viel, aber man macht ein bisschen was. Ja. Super. So, we move. There's a small pause there. So someone asked me for a helping hand, which I did. Off the camera anyway. Yeah. You see my umbrella? This is my umbrella. And this is me. This is me from head to toe. This is me. Showing you guys the weather. Over here. Showing you guys areas in the city and how the weather looks like. Yeah. You know, and most of the time we move with our umbrella. You know, we move with our umbrella so that if it's raining, you can be able to protect yourself. If not, you'll be rained on. So this is my jacket. As I've said before, the reason why I bought the jacket is because of the raining weather. Because of the raining weather, let me turn the camera. This one is Children Park. As they do build all the corners of the streets, they do build children parks where children do play. And you see here this beautiful art over here, very beautiful. That place, let me pass there. I love artworks. Artworks. So this one looks like beautiful artworks over here. Beautiful artworks, and they have some artworks over here too. You see this one? Wow, Dortmund. Echtnordstadt, original North City. That is what they wrote there. Echtnordstadt, original North City of Dortmund. That is what they wrote there. See people walking around, doing their activities. And then me, I'm here. I'm trying to take a photo of this background. Alright, then we move. We move by turning the camera around to show you people this area. Show you people this area. See that? How everywhere looks like wet. And here is a shop. This is a shop where you can buy foodstuffs. Here you can buy vegetables, food to cook, rice, whatever, name it. And people do come there. People do come to this shop to buy a lot of things, you know. People do come make big shoppings here, you can see, in a big shop. Alright guys, awesome and beautiful place. Yeah, here you can buy your food. I don't know, I'm just looking at you because the way you're driving, the way you drove right now is very wrong. Most of you, I don't know how you acquire a driving license. Let me turn the camera, show you guys this area. You can see this place, as I said, it's a shop where you can buy food, and one driver there nearly hit me. The man was a rough driver. Don't know where he got his license, and you can see up there, you can see police from far, like they are controlling one or two people. All right, so yeah, let's go. We move. At least I have more 5 minutes to finish this video. Yeah, more 5 minutes to finish the video. You know, it's cold. I feel cold, though. I feel cold. The weather is cold. Raining every day over here in the city of Dortmund. So here in my home, no shopping. Saw police, I saw them. See them? They are controlling some people. I don't know, but I'm showing you guys what they do. They do control some people. Yeah, I'm just on my own, walking gently in the city of Dortmund. You can see that. Chapiasu right here. Fine girl, look front before you jam yourself, please. Some more fine girl. See that? Gasolina. Yeah. Lots of people over here, mainly foreigners. You understand? A lot of foreigners live in this area. You can see it yourself as I walk past everybody. Just, you know, yeah. City of Dortmund. The rain is. The rain is done, so I can walk without umbrella. So you can see my umbrella. This is my umbrella, guys. I can walk without umbrella, you know. Showing you guys the city of Dortmund and some guys hanging around all these places. You see? Yeah. We move. So guys, I've reached a place where I'm going to. This is where I'm coming to post a letter. I need to post a letter in this place. It's a postal house, you can see DHL, but it's a post office. Alright, so this is where I'm coming to, and I'm here. See that? City of Dortmund. Yes. Yes, my beautiful people. Chapiasu. If you've watched me up to now, thank you for watching. God bless you. He also says so. Like my videos, watch my videos with ads. Guys, don't skip the ads. Just watch with ads. As you do, God will bless you. Share my videos with your friends, with your family. Tell a friend to connect a friend, to tell a friend. To subscribe to Chapiasu TV on YouTube channel. See you guys on my next one. Chapiasu say bye, choose. Love you guys.